Hey, this video is for the guys over at Absolute. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm shooting this free custom video for you guys, basically to show you how to gain more customers every single month and how to beat out the competition in your area. I do it this way so it sets me apart from all the other millions of marketers out there. I show you guys specific ways catered specifically to your business on exactly what to do step by step. I'm only going to be talking about 3 things in this video. It's just to show you a little teaser on the services that I provide and also basically give you some free information as well. So I did this research before the video and I'm just going to show you throughout. I'm hoping that you're going to like what I show you. I'll keep it as short as I can, just around 5 minutes. If you like what you see, definitely give me a call. We can talk about a bigger game plan. If not, no harm, no foul. Keep this free information. Use it as you wish. So first, I'll start off with your home page. I'm going to start with content. Now, Google loves content. They want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. Now, I see you guys have your website made out, and it looks pretty good. You can definitely use some more formatting, like put a different color here, put a different section, format it out to separate it. But you definitely are lacking in content. Like I said, 1,500 to 2,000 words, which are going to be keyword rich. The keywords that your business needs to target in the New York City area. So just by adding at least 1,500 more words with good keywords, you're going to start gaining a lot more traction organically. So that's going to bring you more leads. More leads equal more customers, more money. Secondly, I want to talk to you about something called citations. Now let me bring you right here. Citations basically anywhere on the web where you can put your business name, address, and phone number. That counts as one citation. Mostly you'll see these on online directories such as Yelp, Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages, etc. So I did this quick Google search, electricians New York City, something anybody can search, but more or less most Google searches are going to look like this regardless. So the first thing people see are going to be these Google guaranteed ads. These are paid services. Anybody can get their business verified first, and then Google will allow them to list their services right here. After that, you go down to these traditional Google ads, which can appear on the top or on the bottom of the home page. These are also paid. After that, we go down to what's called Google My Business. It's a Google Map Pack, also known as Google Map Pack. Here, Google only shows the top 3 competitors, and this is definitely a place to be at because everybody uses these, and a lot of times there's a phone option here. One click and people use it right from their mobile phone. After that, we go on to this section. This is called the organic section. This is where websites come out organically by doing SEO work, search engine optimization, through their website, optimizing it and beating out everybody else to make it to the first page. Now, statistics tell us 95% of the people who do a Google search only click on the first page. They don't go to the second or third page. You don't want to be on anywhere except the first page. So you guys right now are not ranking anywhere close to the first page. So another thing I want to talk to you about is going to be backlinks. I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a paid service. It's great. It tells me a lot of relevant information about any website. So a backlink is any website out there which is pointing to your website. That means they're driving traffic to your website. Now, the more backlinks you have pointing at you, it's basically like a popularity contest. The more pointing at you, the more popular you are with Google, the higher they're going to rank your website. Now, right now, you guys have 52 backlinks from 8 referring domains. You guys are targeting 23 keywords, but this is not getting you any visitors to your website as of right now. Now, to give you a competitor, this is what their website looks like. This is what their results look like. They got 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're hitting 414 keywords, and they're getting about 600 unique visitors to their website every single month. More visitors equals more leads equals more customers. Now, this is where they are, and this is where you are right now. So anything you start implementing is going to make you gain traction, and it's going to start lifting you off, getting those new clients, new customers every single month. That's where you want. A lot of people get new businesses from online. You can double, triple, quadruple your business, whatever plan you want to do. So I told you I'll try to keep it 5 minutes. I really hope you found this information to be valuable. I have a lot more. Give me a call. I'd love to chat with you. And also, if you could please give me some feedback on what you thought about the video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.